Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We'll be learning how to draw an ear. We'll be starting off with a slanting line and a circle. Try to make the outline of ear. You can use a picture of ear as reference. Make the upper part wider and the lower part a little bit narrower. Now we are drawing the tragus and the antitragus. Make sure to erase all the extra lines that you are left with now. We'll start with light shading with an HB pencil. Make sure to keep the strokes very light so the outlines are not faded. You should clearly make out the outline so that it becomes easier for you to add darker values and lighter values, and the transition should be smooth. Here I am starting off with darker values first, then I am adding the lighter values surrounding it. Shade the areas which have more depth and are away from the light, so it has more darkness to it will give more definition and more depth to your drawing. Once we are done with shading and all the pencil work, we'll start with smoothing the sketching with the help of a stump or a q-tip or a tissue, whatever is available to you. With the shading and smoothing, the darker areas usually disappears. Try to redo it to make it more enhanced. So here is the final look of our ear. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.